Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Learn Maths Iga Valley. Now we have a question of this kind. If x plus y is equal to 3 and a reciprocal of x squared plus y plus a reciprocal of x plus y squared is a half, we need to find the value of x power 5 plus y power 5. Please don't leave without subscribing. Watch to the end of this video. Let's start. Before starting working out, I want to remind you some basic factorization, including x squared plus y squared. This is equal to x plus y altogether for 2 minus the product of 2 x and y. And x power 3 plus y power 3 is equal to x plus y power 3 negative 3 xy into x plus y. Knowing this, you see, each of these is expressed as a sum and a product of 2 stars. Here is the sum of x and y. Here is the product of x and y. Let's start our question from this, the second one, this which is a half. We have 1 over x squared plus y plus 1 over x plus y squared, which is a half. Putting this on common denominator, which is the product of this, we have x squared plus y into x plus y power 2. And here is a half. Taking this, divided by this, we stay with this. This times 1 is x plus y power 2 plus this over this, we stay with x squared plus y, and it's a half. As you see, let's collect this. Let's collect this with power of 2. We have x squared plus y squared plus x plus y over this times this is x power 3. This times this is x squared y squared plus this times this is xy or yx plus this times this, which is y power 3. And this goes to a half. It's clear here that, as you know, x squared plus y squared is this. You have x plus y power 2 minus 2xy plus x plus y over x power 3 plus y power 3 plus xy power 2, because here, from the fact that ab power n is equal to a raised to n times b raised to n, then let's add xy, and this is a half. Hope everything here is clear. We have x plus y power 2 minus 2xy plus x plus y over this will be replaced by this. Here is x power 3 plus y power 3 sorry, it's x plus y altogether power 3, negative 3xy into x plus y plus xy power 2 plus xy, and this is a half. Hope it's clear there. Okay, we are going to replace x plus y by 3. Here is 3 power 2 minus 2 xy plus 3 over 3 power 3. Here negative 3 xy into 3 because the sum of x and y is 3 plus xy power 2 plus xy, which is a half. Here is this 3 power 2 is 9, 9 plus 3, this is 12 minus 2xy over 27 minus 3 times 3, this is 9xy plus xy power 2 plus xy, and this is 1/2. Crossing multiplication to here, we have 2 into 12 minus 2xy. This will be equal to 1 into 27 minus 9xy plus xy power 2 plus xy. Here is 24, 2 times 12, 24 minus 4, 2 times 2y, 4. This is 27 minus this, and this will be 8xy plus xy power 2. As you see, what you have here is a quadratic equation in xy. It's a function of xy of 2 degree. Okay. Let's write this in ascending power of xy. Here is xy power 2 minus 8xy. Sorry, here is xy plus 4 xy plus 27 minus 24, which is equal to 0. Here we have xy power 2 minus 4xy plus 3, which is 0. As you see, we can solve a quadratic equation using completing the squares. We can use factorization method. We can use discriminant method. So, as you see here, the product of two numbers or two roots of this equation is 3, and the sum is minus 4. That's why we have minus 1 and minus 3 as the roots of this quadratic equation. Having minus 1 times minus 1 will give 3. Minus 1 plus minus 3, this will be minus 4 as it's here. So we have xy minus 1 into xy minus 3, which is 0. Xy minus 1, which is 0, here xy will be 1. Xy minus 3, which is 0, xy will be 3. We have two xy values. This is to say, we have two cases, x plus 1, which is 3. We have xy, which is 1, or x plus y, which is 3, and xy, which is 3. Hope this will lead us to the finding of this value, x power 5 plus y power 5. This will help us to find x power 5 plus y power 5. This is what we are asked to find. For x plus y is 3 and xy is 1, what is the value of x power 5 plus the value of x power 5 plus y power 5? Here is the question. By Pascal's triangle, x plus y power 5 is equal to x power 5 plus 5 x power 4 y plus 10 x power 3 y power 2 plus 10 x power 2 y power 3 plus 5 x y power 4 plus y power 5. This is equal to, I can start with this and this, x power 5 plus y power 5 plus 5 x power 4 y plus 5 x y power 4 plus 10 x power 3 y 2 plus 10 x 2 y 3. As you see, here we have x power 5 plus y power 5 plus 5 xy into x power 3 plus y power 3 plus 10 into x square y square into x plus y. We saw that x power 3 plus y power 3 x power 3 plus y power 3 is equal to x plus y power 3 minus 3 xy into x plus y. Here will be plus 10 x square y square into x plus y. We know x plus y is 3 and xy is 1. That's why x power 5 plus y power 5 will be equal to x plus y power 5, which is this. Take this here, we'll negate 5xy into x plus y power 3, negative 3 xy into x plus y minus 10. Here is xy power 2 into x plus y. Okay, x power 5 plus y power 5 is equal to, we know that x plus y is 3, this is 3 power 5, minus 5 into xy is 1, into, this is 3 power 3, minus 3 into 1 times 3, minus 10 into 1 power 2 times 3. Here x power 5 plus y power 5 is equal to 3 power 5 is 241 minus 5 into 3 power 3 is 27 minus this times this times this is 9 minus 1 power 2 is 1, 3 times 10, this is negative 30. This is equal to 241 minus, what is this? Here, this will be 18. 18 times 5 is 90 minus 30. It's clear that x power 5 plus y power 5 is equal to 241 minus 120. This is 121. This is the first value of x power 5 plus y power 5. Let's hope it's clear here. For x plus y, which is 3, and xy, which is 3, as you saw, two xy values, and so x power 5 plus y power 5, which is this, is x plus y power 5 negative 5 xy into x power 3 plus y power 3 minus 10 xy power 2 into x plus y. We saw this was equal x plus y power 5 minus 5 xy into x plus y power 3 negative 3xy into x plus y minus 10 xy power 2 into x plus y. Okay, here x power 5 plus y power 5 is equal to, we know xy is 3 and x plus y is 3. Let's replace x plus y by 3 and xy 3. This is 3 power 5 minus 5 into 3 altogether into 3 power 3 minus 3 times 3 times 3 minus 10 into 3 power 2 times 3. Okay, x power 5 plus y power 5, this is equal to 3 power 5 is 241 minus this times this is 15 into this is 27, this is 2 power 3 and this is 3 power 3, sorry, 3 power 3 will be 27 minus 27 minus this 9 power 2 is 9, sorry, 3 power 2 is 9, 9 times 3, this is 27 times 10 is 270. So this will be 0. This is x power 5 plus y power 5, which is equal to 241 minus 270. X power 5 plus y power 5 is equal to minus, I guess, 9. This is the answer to this. Our x power 5 plus y power 5 has two values. Don't leave without subscribing, please. Like and comment on our videos. Share them so that it will reach far. Thank you very much for watching.